Namaste, my name is Sharayu and welcome back to my channel Holy Sharayu. I hope you all are doing well and today's video is very exciting as you can see from the title. I'm making this beautiful maxi dress out of a stretchable fabric. Let's discuss the design. So the design is a beautiful maxi dress with a little bit of bell shape going around the hips, and it's a maxi dress with spaghetti straps. So I got almost 1.5 yards of fabric. This is a 4-way stretch fabric and the vendor actually gave it to me for 190 rupees only because it was unevenly cut. It was not a rectangle, it was some sort of this shape. I'll draw it on the screen over here. First of all, these are my inspirations. My Pinterest was filled with these sort of dresses. The reason why this dress is very comfortable because first of all, it is stretchable. Second of all, it doesn't need any zipper or buttons. Third, it's a maxi dress and maxi dresses are always comfortable. The next reason is that you can either glam it up or dress it down according to your wish. So without wasting any more time, let's just get started. So let me first explain the pattern to you guys. As you know, I had very less fabric to work with. That's the reason why I had to make this dress in two parts, that is the top and skirt. Now let's cut the fabric. First of all, I'm folding the fabric once and then I'm folding it again so that I'll cut the front and back together. I'm using this dress as a guideline, but as the dress has sleeves and a neckline, I am going to use another top to make the top part of this dress. I'm placing it in such a way so that I can mark this part and then trace the skirt from this line. Now as this dress is a midi length, I wanted a maxi version of it. And this is how I'm going to trace it. I'm extending the bottom part like a fish tail, as you can see here. So the skirt shape is resembling a bell or a fish tail. While cutting the fabric, I'm also leaving 1/2 inch seam allowance at the side. Now let's cut the top. I'm going to cut 2 layers of the front and 2 layers of the back. These are the 2 layers of the front. Now let's cut the 2 layers of the back. To cut the back, I'm going to connect the 2 armholes like so, and this is going to be the back. So the back of the dress is going to be a little bit of backless. To stitch the top and skirt, I am sandwiching the skirt part in between the 2 layers of the top. Also make sure to pin the fabric because stretchable fabric tends to slip a lot. Make sure that you use a stretch stitch or a zigzag stitch because a straight stitch will tear the seam. As you can see, the fabric here is stretching. Now this is the front part of the dress. As you can see, the inside as well as the outside has a cleaner finish. Similarly, I'm going to stitch the back of the dress and I'm placing the front and back on top of each other and I'm going to stitch on the sides. As the fabric that I was working with was less, the skirt length was a little bit shorter. That's why I added these ruffle trims at the bottom. I wanted a lettuce hem for these ruffles. If you want lettuce hem, make sure to use a zigzag stitch and the length of the stitch should be 1.8 and the width of the stitch should be 5. I used the zigzag stitch on the edge of the ruffles and this is how the hem is looking. Now I'm going to attach this ruffle trim at the bottom over here. The skirt length was still shorter, that's why I had to make one more ruffle trim. After adding the 2 layers of the ruffle trim at the bottom, the dress length was perfect. After stitching this, now it was time to make the straps for the dress. I took 1 inch strap, folded it like this and then folded it in half once again and then I stitched a zigzag stitch all over the strap. This is how the strap came out once it was stitched. I have stitched 1 inch interfacing on the neckline of the dress, and I have hand stitched the straps. And that's it, the dress is finally complete. And here is the final look. You can even ruche up the dress a little bit to make it a midi length dress, and this is how it looks once the fabric is all ruched up. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, then you know the drill. Like this video, comment down below if you want me to make any more dresses, and make sure to subscribe to my channel because I really need more subscribers, and yeah, it will be a really great help if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and well, that's it. Until we meet next time. Bye.